Hello. How's it going? Okay, wait, I need to adjust my mic. There we go. Hey, baby doll. Ugh. How was your stream today? So, we're back working on the 2D action platformer, which is the current state that it's in. We have checkpoints working. We can throw guns, but they're colliding weirdly with things. Oh, you skipped stream today? Why? Why? You're streaming like every day, right? That's a crazy stream schedule to keep up with, man. I need to change the like gun throw and bullet collisions to not actually collide, because right now, okay, if you throw a gun and then fire a bullet into it, wait, I have to hit it right. It can stop in midair like that, which isn't good. So I need to fix that real quick. It's probably fine for it to bounce, but it shouldn't like stop in midair. Burned out after the game jam, said only stream on weekdays. I've been doing good. I'm gonna be honest, I'm so tired. The game jam definitely, I wouldn't say I'm burned out, but it definitely put a lot of strain on me. Because I'm also doing college, so I was trying to get everything done and my brain was just melting. So I totally get you. This is the player. Where is the gun? No, I need the throwable. That's gonna be here. It's been a little while since I've looked at this code. Okay. Do I have a tag for the player bullet? How am I actually marking that it's a bullet? Prefabs, bullet, player bullet. Okay. Probably not. Probably only go into walls. So, where's the grid? Is this actually tagged? No. Ground. It's tagged ground. Okay. No, I need the actual throwable script. Where are ya? Scripts. Gun. No. Projectiles. Yes. Projectile. In wall. Oh, goodness. Where? This is throwable in hand. No, this is throwable object. Okay, this is the one I want. Okay. Whoa. Oops. If col dot game object dot tag, can I just do col dot tag? Nope. Of course I can't. Ah, Unity. Equals ground, then we can stick into it. Otherwise, probably not. Probably not a good thing. So now we shouldn't be sticking into bullets. Wait, I can just... Why is that not... Oh, it's because I'm aiming, like, straight up. That's a little bit weird, but that's okay. Okay, so now it's still bouncing. That shouldn't happen. What? Not possible. Oh, oops. Back? What? Huh? Are you implying that you were AFK? You were BRBing for the time in between streams? It's like, BRB, guys, I'll be back, You know, I should just start my stream by saying back. So I'd take a little break, guys. BRB for like 2 days. Okay, why isn't this working? It's tagged ground. If tag equals ground. Oh, I just got rid of it. Oh my goodness. I'm not all here. What is going on, man? There we go. Okay, now it should work. I just deleted the part of the code that made it work. Oops. Goodness gracious. Okay, so now that's working, and then it should still stick in the wall. It does! Perfect. Soul Shot is a band? Is it? Soul Shot. Wait, now I'm looking it up. Soul Shot, the band. Wait. It is. That's okay. How do you know this band? I don't think I've ever heard of these people. What have they made? Soulshot's just a working name. We can always change it, but I don't think it'll be a problem. It's not going to be a problem with copyright. So the way that copyright law generally works is because they're doing music and I'm doing games, which are a different enough... It's a different enough field. It should be fine, but... Like, there's not another game called Soulshot. And I don't think that anyone's going to confuse a 2D action platformer with a band. I feel like those are pretty distinct. That was a weird interaction. Okay. The main thing that I want to get done today is I want to tinker with the movement, because we haven't done that at all, and it kind of feels a little weird right now. First of all, you can still dash when you're not in the, demon state, which is not what I intended, but... Just BTS Undisrupt Geno, final boss is kind of difficult. Nice. I don't know. I have absolutely no idea who that character is, but... The only Geno I know is from Super Mario RPG, which, by the way, Geno's theme is a banger. Wait, it's in the playlist somewhere. Somewhere, give me a moment. It's here! Did I not? Oh, I did. Good. The Forest Maze. I love it. Oh, Geno means genocide? Okay. So you're telling me that you were not fighting the Clockwork Man from Super Mario RPG. It's kind of disappointing, but that's okay. Alright, so I need to, first of all, in the dash script, actually check. Yeah, player air dash, there we go. On dash. If can dash, if can is grounded, okay. Who is him? Who is him? Okay, so now you need to also check player E. Did I call it player? Did I call the singleton player? I did. Okay. Player dot form? Player form is what I called it. Why is this private? Do I have a get player form? I do. Okay. Oh, it's not instance. I forgot. Get player form. There we are. Oh, equals form dot human. No, form dot human. Oh wait, does not equal. I need it to equal form dot demon. Wait, oops. There we go. Now we should only build an air dash when we're in the demon form. It's the red dude. So we can definitely air dash. Perfect. Making myself a gun again. We can no longer air dash. think I need to change a bunch of variables here. Like, the human move speed is a little slow. I don't really like that, and I think the demon move speed, it's probably fine, actually. The dash is really, really strong, though. Mid-air move. Where's the dash script? Player dash, dash force. Oh, I just have a base dash force? I can probably change that. I have human dash force and the human dash cooldown. I should probably also have a demon dash force and the demon cooldown. And then I'm just going to add a header here. Demon. I'm going to add another header up here, but we can call it human. Human form, demon form. Perfect. Okay. Now we're going to... Yes, if all of those things, and we can dash, then I'm going to check the human form. So player.instance. I had to move my mic a little bit. There we go. Player.instance.get human form. This form.human. Then we're going to do human, and then else if it equals form.demon. Then we're going to do the demon stuff. Change this to demon. Okay. Oh man. Okay. Whoop, whoop. Oh, I didn't set the... Oops, I didn't set the numbers. Let's set the human dash force to something like 12. I'm gonna set the demon dash force. I think the demon is just too fast. It's just like ridiculously, like, just feels weird. Like, yeah, his deceleration rate is kind of garbage, I'm gonna be honest. I think I'm gonna change these. Kind of feels weird. And then cooldown, that can still be... Let's change this to like 1, and we're gonna change that cooldown to that. I'm gonna up the force a little bit. I feel like just the dash is just so ridiculously strong. I think we're just gonna lower it all. Like, the demon can literally just, like, lunge across the map, which is ridiculous. Ooh, if you jump and then... That's fine. Whee! Oh no, come on. Okay. So I'm gonna air dash. No, I want to air dash, dash, and then air dash again. So I'm going to air dash, dash, air dash. I think you actually go farther if you don't air dash. I'm pretty sure that air dashing cuts your momentum. Where's the air dash script? Does it cut your momentum? Yes. Yes, it does. Oh, okay. That makes sense. I did... I don't know how I feel about that. I'm questioning my shoelaces now. Now I have some time between when I implemented it. The jam is over, yes. We released something. I would not call it a finished project. Me and Shy who was the lead programmer, are thinking about, like, going on our own and finishing it. But... Put back the choose game button. Was that not there? Choose game for next stream? Yeah, that's always the struggle with game jams, is it's very hard to finish a, like, scope properly and then finish a game given the time. Very, very difficult. But, you know, it is what it is. And I learned a lot during it, so I'm pretty happy with it. You still didn't nail the gameplay and theme. Can you send your submission? I actually want to play it. Ours is a system, it's not even a game. You can't win, and it doesn't function, so I would not recommend anyone actually try it. You made what you wanted to make, good. Are you satisfied with what you got done? That's the most important part. I'm still satisfied with the jam. Like, I learned a lot, just like, about teamwork in general. Because this was the first time that I've worked in a multidisciplinary team to where everyone actually knew what they were doing. But one of the judges played on stream, but just didn't seem to engage him on any level. Well, I'm very curious what you actually made. Give me 500 channel points and just... no. No, I don't think I can. No. Gotta save up 5,000. Them's the rules, alright? Okay. So the dash force is just, I think, ridiculously high. That's a little bit better. No, if you link it, you'll get bonked. You can link it, and then I'll just click it. I think that Nightbot will delete your message, though. That's okay. It's a 370B. We lost a good man that day. Nightbot took him out on false accusations. Okay. I kinda wanna add like a wall bounce to where the player can, like, if they're on a wall, they can hop again and then hop off of it. A wall bounce and slide. Let's do it, why not? Create new scripts. Wall jump. You can buy someone's kid? That seems wrong. Yeah, I want the player to have a lot of different options, like movement-wise. Just my goal is to make the movement very fluid. Right now we don't really have an enemy. Like, we have the turret. That's like the next thing I need to work on, but enemy eye scares me. We'll probably start work on that today, but we really only have a turret. Which is not too much of a challenge when it is a single enemy and takes a very long time to lock on. Yeah, if you link it, it will bonk you, but I will still click the link. I think you'll just get a warning. I don't think you'll get timed out. If you get timed out, I'll untime you out. Actually, I could temporarily time out Nightbot. Wait. Alright, you have a window. Go, go, go! Post the link! The Nightbot Uprising. We're taking a stand against the robot overlord for 600 seconds, which will be a lot less. Alright. Go, go, go! Okay, I'm gonna untime out. Untime out. Nightbot. Alright, perfect. Nightbot did not like that. Alright. You guys can... No, you wouldn't be able to do this. Okay, wait. I'm gonna put this into a Chrome, and then you guys can. Perfect. Okay. Any moment. I needed Nightbot to not time out. Maybe toss up and play his game. There's no full screen button. That's okay. We have our own full screen button. The Foundation, its anomalies, everything that's been written about is fictional. This video game incident is not based in reality. Warning, SCP-370 is exceedingly contagious. Mimetic infection. Mimetic? There's a full screen option? Okay, in options. Steel box openings have me as tall box because I can't read this fast. No, a small mold filled with lead. The box is kept in a specially designed site. Blah, blah, blah. No research for any reason. I am. Dude, the scroll speed. Personal infection, D-class personnel, tendencies to preferred interactions, potentially contagious. Live broadcasting capability, remove the Foundation for 1 year. Oh my goodness. Okay, awesome. I really love this CRT effect. This is really neat. It even does it for your cursor too. That's trippy, man. That's awesome. Okay, wait, can I... What happens if I click X? Okay. Article. Perfect! There's a nice scroll bar. Oh, dude, this is long. Okay, where were we? Where were we when I got lost? SCP-370's key, the size, shape, characteristics, all these records. Such information be stored without review. Disease caused by SCP-370 has 3 distinct sets of symptoms. Designations: SCP-370 A, B, and C. The form of disease appearing in any given subject appears to be determined primarily by their personality. If SCP... you think you'll remove the intro? Yeah. Getting hit with a wall of text when a game starts is a little bit much. Grab the key. Pray with me. I have to attack the others? Well, if you say so. Leave their keys. Okay, will do. They have no need. Hello. Ow! Okay, that was a mistake. Okay. Enter the chamber. Grab the key. I didn't know he would have had a gun. I thought he was just some dude. I was like, you know, I won't attack the others. Actually, I'm leaving. I'm a pacifist. Maybe I'm not a pacifist. Just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding. Why do you also have a gun? Oh my god, now I have a gun. It's over for you. Oh yeah. Am I reloading? Is that why I can't shoot sometimes? Whoa. What are these keys? I'm confused. Am I like irradiating or do I have a lamp? I like the effect like that. The game looks like really neat. Like I see what you're going for. Yeah, every player had an issue with the reload not being shown. Oh my goodness! I almost died. Okay. Also, you can just like you can just spam click and everything just explodes. Hey, nerd! Oh, dude, now my radius is getting bigger the more I kill, I think. I think that's what's happening. I really love this dither effect. You do a lot of really cool stuff with this. Oh, there's so many. I played COD Zombies. You can't get me. I know how to train. Ah! So I'm gonna presume that my... Oh, wait, that's my ammo. Okay, I see. And wait, he picked up a gun and then started... That's interesting. That's cool. I didn't realize that they could pick up guns. If I press R... I do, okay. You communicate with players better at the light. Is the phase? Oh, okay. I don't know what these keys are. Okay. Yeah, if I press R, I can reload. Do I have to kill everyone? Is that my goal? They're attacking each other because the light infects them with the B variant. I died. Oh, dude, do I have to restart the game? Shucks. Is there an ending? I think I just have to murder everyone. I think that that's, like, the goal. Okay. Kinda an ending. Okay, I want to get to the ending. There, honestly, like... No, I'm better, I'm stronger, I'm cooler. Okay, cool. Cool. I am actually enjoying this game. There's a lot of, like, neat effects. I like the CRT effect, I like the lighting effects. It is... Like, there are definitely some communication problems. But if you fix those, I think it's gonna be a fun game. The C-Form tries to make SCP-370 break containment. The setup for the game is the researcher was infected by the infected and then infected the player. Okay. Is that... I probably would have got that if I actually read the text wall. Wait, what's down here? Oh, another dude. How do I get in here? Now that I understand the reload mechanic... Oh my goodness. My touch now converts them. Oh no, okay, so they immediately are hostile now. That's what that meant. Yeah, people don't really like reading walls of text. It's even like a problem with design, to where if you're working with the team, like no one wants to read your game design document. Your 15-page wall of text is just not an enjoyable experience, even if it is the best game idea ever. Explaining any game in a 15-page wall of text is just not awesome. Ah, come on. I have to do it. Now I'm committed at this point. I gotta do it. Melee is a one-shot kill too now? Wait, as in, I can one-shot people with melee? Is there a way to use melee after you get a gun? Like, can you get rid of the gun? Wait, am I... Okay, so that guy's stronger. That makes sense. He's like an armored dude. Melee attack is 2, which is space? Oh. Space? That feels a little bit weird. Because, like, I feel like it should be either, like, right-click or... Oh, no, I'm dead. Wait, don't do this. I'm better. I'm stronger. I'm smarter. Use right-click concludes the game on web. Can it? I'm currently right-clicking. Okay, wait. There's no more guys up here. What are all these keys? I know I grabbed a key to start the infection. Okay, I think I gotta get all... I think I got everyone here. Wait, so I feel like melee is, like, actually good. I feel like if I just run around, start, like, punching people after the... Okay, my touch now converts them. Okay, so yeah, if someone gets too close, I just bonk them. I am merciful. No. I disagree, humbly. I'm presuming that that's like the inner monologue of the player character or something. Oh, dude, I'm so strong. The key cause infection, so them creating more is the life cycle virus? Okay. Boop. Yeah, do you plan on, like, updating this game? And whoa! It sounds like you're talking about it. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Oh, you want to make it a sandbox experience where the player is a researcher? Okay. Interesting. I think that there was some error in the text. Nice! By transmitting video to Sci-5? Does that mean I win? I win! Nice! Awesome. That'd be hard to do in 14 days? Yeah! Yeah, I would. Oh. Yeah, nice job, man. Made a full game in 14 days. It's impressive. Okay, so I want... Or public float wall jump force public whoa public float Wall jump. Wall repel force? That's not a good name for that. Yeah, playtesting is super important. It's very rewarding to see people play your games, but yeah, playtesting is super, super important to the game design process. Like, you really can't see how your design or game actually works without seeing someone play it. Like, a game doesn't exist without a player. I think it's very important, and a lot of people don't realize how important it is to get your game played at like every stage. Even if it is barely playable and it's not good, having someone play it will show you why it's not good a lot better than you just bashing your head against the wall. It's always a good idea to get playtests. At least I think so. Okay. So at the start, I need to get an access to the rigid body. So I need the rigid body. Rigid body 2D, RB. RB equals get component rigid body 2D. Perfect. And then you get on jump, I think. I think that's what I called it. On jump, yes. Okay. On wait, private void on jump. And then I think I'm gonna need access to the jump cut script. Oh no, I did it. Oh, I put it into the player vertical movement script. I think I'm gonna need to detach that again. That's okay. So on jump, I also need to see if they're actually hitting a wall. So I do like a ray cast up to the left or the right. We're gonna do a raycast hit 2D, right hit, and then going to get that raycast. So we're gonna cast that ray. We want it to be the right. So how am I doing the ground checker? Because I know that I think that I get the player height in the ground checker and the player width. How do I do that? Ground checker. There we are. Oh no, I'm not even doing that. Ooh, okay. Interesting. 1546? That's a how long does it take to beat the game normally? Like what's the delta between the normal playtime and the speed run? Okay, so yeah, I'm actually the way that I do that is weird. Okay. I think I'm just gonna do a raycast here. So the player is at 0, 0. Then an object 0, 0, 0. I need to do array at like -4. We'll call it. So plus or -4. So it's going to be the right hit. So we're going to do a new vector 2, 0.4. Just going to make a public float for the ray offset. Public float ray offset. First one is usually about 3 hours. It's nice speed running a game, hearing this random guy yap about game dev. Good background noise, thank you. Okay, we're going to do it. Vector 2 dot right. And then distance 0.01. Okay, so we need to do that for the left as well. And I should also check if the player is actually holding the direction. So I need to get private void on move is what I think I called it. Let me double check again. It's been a while since I've touched this code base. On movement? Where are you? On movement, that's what I called it. On movement, I need to get a private float. Private float, move direction. And then move dir equals. How do I do this again? Let me just yoink it from the horizontal movement. Player horizontal, where are you? Player horizontal, perfect. Okay. So on move or on horizontal is what I called it. Okay. But what's on movement? What? On horizontal, on movement? What is on movement? Are these the same thing? No. No. This is all directions. It's just horizontal. Okay. I'm using Unity engine dot input system, that we can get access to these variables. I forgot how hard it was to learn programming. So currently in college, I'm in a programming 1 class, and I know enough to where I could basically teach the class, I'm gonna be honest. But seeing like other people like struggle with it, I completely forgot how hard this stuff is. Like when you've been doing it for so long, you just kind of like get into the headspace to where you're just like, oh, this isn't that hard. No, dude, it's really difficult to learn on the first try. Just can't give up, man. Can't give up. So if movedir is greater than 0, then else, then we want to do the left hit. Now, if right hit dot transform does not equal null, and right hit dot game object, nope, game object dot transform dot tag. Okay, I can just do that. Perfect. Equals ground. Then I want to add force to the rigid body. New vector 2. It's going to be jump force. Yeah, wall jump force and wall repel force. And then force mode impulse. Force mode 2D dot impulse. Perfect. Then I just need to copy this over, change these to left hit. Okay. And I also need to change this to minus. So this way, when the player is moving into a wall and then jump, they should get bounced off the wall a little bit because of the repel force and move up. That needs to not be negative. There we go. That would have moved them down. Which is not what we're looking for. Okay, so I go to the player and I add this script, which I'll do down here. Wall jump. Boop. Okay, wall jump force. Let's do, what is the jump force? Let's do less than that. Okay, so it's like, let's do like 15, and then we're gonna do the repel force like 5. Maybe like 7. Nah, we'll do 5. Ray offset 0.4. This needs to be negative ray offset, and this needs to be ray offset. And that should be right. We should be good. I want this direction to actually be vector2.left. And now let's test it. It should work. Should. Why'd my music stop? Oh, there we go. I was just yapping to myself. Oh, we can't reach that. Okay, we can try it over here. Okay, doesn't work. On horizontal, on jump. It's not adding, maybe it's, I don't know. Okay, let's print right input wall jump. And left input wall jump. I also need to check if they are not grounded. If player.instance.get is grounded, I need to add a little not there. Little exclamation point. There we go. Alright. Why is that happening twice? Okay. Oh, I know why. Input value, input value. I need to check if it's pressed. I forget how I do that. Wait. I think you can just do if input value dot is pressed. That's it. Okay, perfect. And the player's ground, or the player is not grounded. Then we can do this. Okay. Because it's triggering twice, because I have it set to trigger both when we push down the jump button and to let go. Also need to, it's greater else if movedir is less than 0. Because if it's just 0, then I probably don't want to do that. It'd be weird if a player would wall jump without inputting. So they really should not... It should not be happening when they're like, that's not right. How can I do this? Because currently, when the player jumps off the ground, what do I think of the name Montgomery? What, Gonermy? It's not, what? Montgomery. Weird name. Probably bottom of my list. Montgomery. It just sounds like Montgomery, but not correct. Okay. Where... It's not working, and also, it's not... Why not? Why are you doing this? Okay, I'm just gonna check the Raycast. Montjonerme. Montjonerme? Montjonerme. I cannot... Montjon... I feel like I'm not pronouncing that right. It doesn't sound correct. I don't know. I think I'm too American to pronounce that correctly. I think that's the problem. I bleed red, white, and blue. What in the world is Vim? If you're talking about Vim, you don't. You shouldn't have opened the program. You're stuck there. Forever. You can't close it. I'm sorry you had to learn this way. Vim's actually a virus on your computer. Okay. This isn't... It's been 3 years and you can't get out. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I had to be that way. You shut down the computer usually, but the worst part is when you turn your computer on again, for some reason your brain automatically opens Vim. There's nothing that you can do. It's the way of the world. It's not only a computer virus, it's a virus of the mind. Why? If it doesn't equal null, this is fine. Get Vimmed, nerd. I refuse to open Vim. I think I have it installed. I just won't open it. Okay. We're getting is grounded, so the problem is the player isn't grounded when we actually do this, because the jump is ungrounding the player. So if I go to the player vertical script, this is what I think's happening. I think that the jump is setting is grounded false, which is then... Actually, don't I have an event that I can subscribe to? Wait a minute. Let me go to the player script, go to definition, promote that. On ground change. I do! Oh, that fixes my problems. Player.instance. So is it player just on ground change? I guess. Plus equals, and then I need private void on ground change. Okay. Has type bool is grounded. If... Actually, I'm just gonna do this. Do a little bit of programming tomfoolery. Okay. Variables are not the best way to do this. Write XAML files to the player's machine and read it from... What? Read from them the variables. When the player complain about the slow performance, tell them they have a worse SSD than the PS5 and they should fix that. Sounds like a player problem, alright? Oh man. I don't think I'll do that actually. I do not think that I will be using that. Unfortunately. As funny as it would be. Alright, can wall jump equals false. And then on the ground change, I'm going to set can wall jump to the inverse of is grounded. This is legal, weirdly. Alright. And then we're going to put on ground change. Oh, oops. There we go. Okay. So instead of getting that, I'm going to check can wall jump. This shouldn't mess anything up, I don't think. If it does, I'll just add a timer, which is jank, but like, eh. Okay, let's see. Nope. Still a problem. Damn it, okay. We're setting a timer. Okay, so on ground change. If not is grounded, then we're going to start an async, so it's going to be private async void change timer? What is it called? Can jump timer. Can wall jump timer. And then I need to await. What is it called? It's called awaitable? Yeah, awaitable dot wait for seconds async. Gonna go 0.1f. And then we're going to set can wall jump equal to 0. And then can wall jump timer. There we go. Okay. So now we're not getting it. Left input wall jump. Okay. That's not right. If I jump and input it, then it's, for some reason... that's not good. Why? Wait, why, actually? How? Oh, I know why. Because I'm never setting can wall jump to false. Oops. When you set can wall jump equal to false. Perfect. I think that's gonna fix it. Maybe? No. Nope. Super did not fix it. Damn it, come on. Okay. Waiting a quarter, or waiting a tenth of a second. And then I'm setting it to true. How is it possibly getting this input? What? I'm gonna set this to public for debug purposes. And I'm going to set this to 0.5 because it should not be possible that this is getting changed like earlier, which means it shouldn't be possible that we should be inputting that. Oh, I'm so silly. Wait, no, I'm not. What? No, it's not possible. How? How is this happening? I'm so confused. Smith, why are you like this? Do you just wake up and just think to yourself, you know, I'm gonna ruin someone's moment. Can't believe you. Okay. Player, let's scroll down, let's find our variable, where are you? Can wall jump. So half a second later, and then we're never setting it to false. Yeah. Yeah, that tracks. Else, can wall jump equals false. There we go. That concludes Cement Moment. Goodbye. Thanks for stopping by, man. What? What are we inputting? Wait, how are we... What? How is it... Okay, it is... No, that's right. That's correct. Okay, no, now it's right. Now I just need to see what's happening with this and why it's not actually going. Because it should... The offset's fine, I think. What if I set the offset to, like, a little bit bigger? Set to, like, 0.5. Maybe it's colliding with the player somehow? I don't know, it's possible. Did set the jump variables, right? I did. Okay. Okay, let me just... Left wall jump and right wall jump. Maybe it's not adding the force properly, or... Because my guess is that it's never actually reaching this point. But I honestly have no idea. Out of water already? Stream for an hour? How is that even possible? Chugging water, apparently. Oh, oops. Okay. How can I debug this? I feel like... Alright, let's do this. I'm gonna get rid of the grounded. I'm actually gonna put this in 2 different if statements, so we're gonna do... First one, which is going to be... We're just gonna print... Left ray hit. Left ray... Hit something. And then... It's gonna be left wall jump. Because my guess is that it's hitting something, I just don't know what it's hitting. So I should probably also print the transform.name, just so I can actually see what in the world it's hitting. Because what should be happening is, a ray should be cast around here. It's probably hitting itself. It's probably hitting that glider. No. It's not hitting anything. Really? It's not hitting anything? At all? Nothing. How is that even possible? What? Okay. What if I set the ray out? Wait, how? If I set it to like 0, then it'll hit itself, right? No, it's not even hitting itself. How are you It's literally just not hitting anything. How is that possible? Really? Am I doing the ray wrong? This is the origin. That's... should be right. Oh no. This isn't relative. I need to do transform. Opposition. Oh my goodness, my throat is all phlegmy. Sorry, one moment. I had to get all the phlegm out. Why can't I? Oh, you suck. Come on. We're just gonna cast it. Now it should work. Question mark? Maybe. No. No, definitely not working. But why? if I try to just print this, it's totally gonna error, right? Because it's reaching this point. It has to be. It's not even erroring. Wait, what? It hit something. How did it hit something? Excuse me? It hit this, but it didn't hit anything else. It hit the checkpoint. Really? But it can't hit this. The tile map. The thing I need it to. Why? What? I think I'm just gonna do like debug.drawLine, I guess? Debug.drawLine? Draw array? I don't know, man. Draw array, start, direction, color, duration. Okay. I guess I'm just gonna start copying this. Yoink. There has to be something like really silly that I'm missing. Just... I don't know what it is. Because I'm missing it. Color, let's do color dot, no. Color, if I could please, let's do cyan. And then we're just gonna do 0.05, let's do 0.1. Okay, where is this actually happening? Where is this ray going? Because it just feels like it's going off into the ether. Oh, the duration is how long it's going to stay alive. I was going to set that to like 5 seconds. Aha. So you're telling me that that is not correct. Really? It's not... This is null. You're really telling me that this is null directly into the hitbox? Good one. Oh my goodness, that was the problem. Yep, okay. That's what I was missing. Yep. Damn it. Okay. This was outlines, which basically means that it was just the outline of this entire thing, so it didn't have any collider in the center. So when I was trying to do that, when I was trying to actually collide with it or do a raycast, it was hitting nothing. It was hitting nothing. It was right. Well, that's the silly thing I knew I was missing. Ugh, okay. That's okay. Let's get rid of all this debug stuff. Now I just have to adjust all of the... Wait, no. No, this needs to be positive, and this needs to be negative. Yes. That's like a lot of force, though. I should also probably change the velocity. Equals vector 2 dot... No, vector 2 dot 0. Otherwise, it's going to be affecting it weirdly. There we go. Okay. Wow, we really jumped. Like, damn, okay. Okay, so the left jump works, the right jump doesn't, for some reason. Why? These are the exact same. Nope. Oops. Now it works. I think. I'm pretty sure. I'm confident in this assertion. Okay, wait, give it a second. Let it cook. It doesn't work. Damn it. Why not? The left one works beautifully. Why does the right one work? That's so weird. I'm doing the same thing, but opposite. Okay. Huh. What is the difference between these two things? I have come to the conclusion that there is not a difference, but I'm still going to copy and sanity check myself. Gonna rename this to right hit. And then we're just going to change that right there. And that right there. And that right there. And now it should work. Because it's the same thing, just to the right. I don't know how I can mess that one up. Come on. Certainly. Certainly it just works now. No. Why doesn't it work? That's so weird. Huh? Okay, so if movedir is greater than 0. Okay. And the transform does not equal null. Oh, I need to print right. Right wall jump. How? How does changing it to be to the right destroy the code? Programming's weird, man. What? That works. It's a bit much, but, like, it functions. Okay, wait, maybe if I change the tile map, let's, like, get a wall over here or something. No, I don't need the font asset creator. I need the 2D tile palette. Give me that. Alright, so we're going to just add a wall here. And hopefully that works. Let's also add, like, a wall. Let's just add, like, something that the player can just, like, bounce off of repeatedly, and then a platform up here. Okay, cool. Sick. Right wall jump is... what? I mixed these variables up. Yeah. Oops. I was launching them. I was like, why is the player going so fast? The player is going super fast because that's not the right variable. And they were going horizontal because that was the jump force, which I didn't want. Oops. Now they should be good. Wow, that is a lot of momentum. That is a ridiculous amount of momentum, quite frankly. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Wait, okay. No, I don't want to set can wall jump to false. They should still be able to wall jump. Just not, like, the same frame. There should probably be a cooldown on it. I'm just gonna rename this to can wall jump, or just wall jump cooldown. Wall jump cooldown, and then I'm going to call it here. Can wall jump equals false. And we're just going to call that after each wall jump, so they can't just, like, spam the button really fast and wall jump, like, 5 times off the same wall. Because that would be bad. That would be not good. Okay. is a bit much, but it works. I just need to change the variables to not be super high. Okay, why is the normal jump force so high and yet it's not a problem, but this is like 15? That's weird. It's only doing it once, yeah. How is it so high? How am I doing the jump? Wait. Oh, I'm not doing impulse. Oh, wait, why not? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Well, I need to change this variable immediately, otherwise the player's going to jump 30 feet in the air. Probably more than that. I just want to test, let's just see what happens, you know? What's the worst that could happen? That's the worst that could happen. Okay, we'll change this to, like, 3 and this to 4. 3.5. This should be better. It's so low. Okay, let's change this to, like, 5 and, like, 6. That's better? That's a lot better? Okay. And then we're gonna change this to, like, 3 and, like, 2. Okay. Maybe, like, 5 and, like, 4? Because I want the player to, like, go, like, when they jump off the wall, they need to go in the correct direction. Boop, okay. Let's change this to, like, 7. And, like, 7. Okay, this is very silly. Boop, 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 boop. No, I missed it! Oh, dude, the timing on this is so tight. Okay. First of all, I need to change that offset, because that offset, I'm jumping, like, a little bit too... Yeah, where are you? Come on. Where's the script? The ray offset. This needs to be, like, 0.45, not 1, because that's ridiculous. But I think that's actually going to make this, like, way harder. It is. No. Oh, come on. No. Come on. Boop. 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 This is actually very difficult. I have to go towards the wall, and then bounce off, go towards the wall, and then bounce off. Wait. Come on. I was in such a good rhythm. I was in the groove, man. Come on. Okay, this is so hard. I probably need to add a buffer to that. Yeah, let's do a jump buffer timer. I think we're just gonna slot that in there. We're going to do a public bool jump buffer equals false, and then we want a public float jump buffer time. Okay. And we're gonna call that whenever we input. If this does not... Yes, we're gonna do else. First of all, I need to check if the hit equals ground. Okay. So if it equals null, then we're gonna call jump buffer timer. Whoa. Oops. There we go. Okay. And at the end of this, I really don't care about that. Need an update function, so we're gonna do actually fixed update. No, not fixed joint. Fixed update. If jump buffered, then we just want to do this entire thing, basically. So I'm actually just going to extract this. Extract method. Extract method, thank you. Check for wall jump. Check for wall jump. Oop, there we go. Really don't want it recursively calling this. Jump buffered and public bool, or bad. I don't need a public bool. No, these both need to be private. There we go. Okay. And private bool is inputting jump equals false. And then we're going to do if we are inputting is pressed. If is pressed. If can wall jump, then we want to call the can wall jump or check for wall jump. But the input I want to set is inputting jump to true. And actually what I can do instead is this. Because dot pressed is a bool, so I can set is inputting jump equal to input value dot is pressed. And then I can set is check is inputting jump. Okay, awesome. If is inputting jump and jump buffered, then do that. That should be right. I think. It should allow us to buffer the jump now. I need to actually set that jump buffer timer, don't I? Yes. 0.015. We'll go with that. So you have a little bit of a window. Yes, definitely working. Okay. Come on. Oh, that's super not right. Wait, no, it's totally right. I don't know why I thought it was wrong. I thought it was doing it multiple times. It's not. Okay, I need to change this. This is impossibly hard. We're going to get rid of that row and move it like a block closer because that is ridiculous. And also add a block here for this short little guy. Come on, where? Tile map? Hello? There we go. Okay. Whoop. No, come on. That makes it way easier. Oh no, I fell. I said that and then immediately failed it? Oh, come on. I know it's possible. No! Boop, 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 boop. There we go. Easy as pie. Very difficult pie. Possibly an entire pie that you don't like. You have to eat the whole thing. I finally, like, as an adult, I've gotten to try different pies than I had as a kid. And, dude, pie is fantastic. I love pie. I really don't like cake anymore. I don't know what happened. My taste buds changed, and I hate sugar. Like, too much sugar. But pie is just the right amount of sugar. Yeah, I should probably change that to also be, like, a little bit lower. Like, the ray offset to be a little bit lower. I'm just gonna do, like, minus 0.2. So the ray X offset, and then we're going to have another one for the ray Y offset. Ray X offset. And we're going to do ray Y offset. Perfect. Ray Y offset. I'm going to set that to like -2 or -0.2. That should be okay. Because that's like... What is the ground at? Okay, that's like quite a bit. It's like 0.7. Let's do 0.3 maybe. Ray X offset, we're gonna set to 0.4. Set to like 0.45 actually, and then we'll set this to minus 0.4. So that way we're gonna be actually doing the ray a little bit lower. So the player's foot needs to be on the bottom. The bottom of the player. Whoop, 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 whoop. No! There we go. Awesome. Actually, just gonna set this like a little bit lower even. Something like that. Ooh. I think I can definitely knock down the like off the wall force to like 5. Because I want to get the player off the wall. I don't want them to use the same wall. I can even probably set that lower, honestly. Like, let's try 4. 4 might be a little too low, but... Because I want the player to be able to, like, wall jump and then just, like, dash. Like, wall jump, dash down, but... Because I don't want the wall jump to be, like, a platforming move. I kind of just want it to be, like, they hop off the wall and immediately start moving towards an enemy or something. So I think I'm going to lower the wall jump like that, and then... Yeah, they get... I think 6 is probably fine. I think I'm actually going to make it more like a horizontal force than a vertical force. Like that. That's good. Yeah, now you can't really gain any vertical momentum with it. Like, you're kind of just going to fall. Yeah. You can bounce between the wall. I'd say technically you could go way up if you did for long enough, but I don't think anyone will. Okay, perfect. I can get rid of this. Oh yeah, I forgot. I added that console. Kill. What were all the commands that is it just the kill? No, I also did the time skill command and the reset command. Oh, oops. Restart? Reset. No. Timescale 0.1. What are my console commands? What did I name these? Where's the debug? Console manager. What did I call these? Set checkpoint, time, or kill, and set timescale. Okay. Set time scale 0.1. Awesome. Set time scale 0.6. So just a little bit slower. Well, it's like almost half actually, but. Okay. It is definitely possible to gain some vertical with this. Just very hard, which is why it's the time scale lower. Ugh. Okay. I'm very focused. No! Okay, wait, it's possible. Come on, it has to be. I can do this. Wait. Wait. Come on. You know, when you fall down, you just gotta get back up and keep trying, alright? No, just keep trying. I got this. No, I just gotta keep trying. Okay, I just gotta keep trying. You know, I'll get it next time. This is the one. It's happening? Oh, come on. Wait. This time. I have to get to the top with this. I don't know why. My brain will not let me proceed without doing this. Come on. It's possible. I can do it. No, okay. I give up. You know what? I'm not gonna do it, actually. That's okay. I'll live. Alright. I'm gonna call that good for the wall jump. I'm pretty happy with that. Okay. Wait, what? Wait, what happened with that? It's still working. Okay, good. Good. What happens when I spawn things in the wall? They just get launched out of the wall. That is what should happen. That's good. Our red triangle still functions. That's good news. My music stopped for some reason. Okay. I kind of want to work on enemy AI. We kind of have all the pieces for enemy AI almost there. Well, besides the AI part, we have the turret rotation towards the player, which is, I can basically just copy that. I just need the enemy to patrol and then also react to the player. Like, I don't think I want the enemies to be able to parry your shots like the player can with the, turret. Well, actually, any bullet, technically. But, I definitely could. I think if we just make, like, a basic enemy that moves back and forth, and then reacts to the player, that would be good. And we don't really need enemies, like, to be able to platform. Because I really don't plan on, like, too much platforming being in the game? I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna get some water, because I'm apparently out. I'm gonna take my midstream break. I'll be back in about 3 minutes, then we're gonna work on enemy AI. Setting up the timer for you guys. Let's put on a banger. Let's get... How about Mother's Love? start blasting it. Alright, I'll be back in 3 minutes. Don't burn the stream down. Don't do anything crazy without me. I'm back! Okay, let's work on the enemy eye. Ugh! So first things I would want to do is... I am back. I want to do the turret script. So the turret currently, it rotates towards the player and then fires the gun. Or fires the bullet. I think I could generalize this script. Because, like, really the only thing that is going to be turret-specific is going to be, like, the death. And also the fire tracker. Or the line renderer. So, we can really can basically take this entire script. Because, like, the animator... maybe the animator, too. I'm just gonna make a enemy aim script. Enemy aim. And then I'm gonna steal most of the turret's code. And then I think I'm gonna use the event system. Like, action delegates to make calls to other scripts. So, this can be in the turret script. I need to steal most of this. think. Like, what am I doing? Check distance of player, check player direction, and check player LOS. What in the world am I doing here? Okay. Check player distance, check player LOS. Sure, I'm just gonna copy this entire script and then start ripping this apart. So, yoink. Okay, rotate gun. This is really just aim. Aim gun. Rename. Aim gun. Sure, rotate gun. That's actually fine. There we go. So all this is like exposed, right? Like the auto rotation, min turret rotation. Min aim rotation. I need to rename that. Oops. I need to use the rename. Otherwise, it is going to error. Okay, rename. Max aim rot. And then we're going to rename this to min aim rot. Don't really need the look direction. I guess I kind of do. Recast mask. Yeah, that's good. I'm actually using this to check the player LOS. That's fine. Okay. Explosion prefab, pistol pickup prefab. Okay. Don't really need this in here. Bullet prefab I need. Okay, the pistol pickup and that stuff. I can just, yeah, I don't need to destroy anything here. I can get rid of this entire thing. This is just for aiming. That's all I want to do here. Aiming and firing. Okay. That's fine, and then I fire the bullet if the shot timer equals 0. What? If shot timer does not equal 0, shot timer equals 0? Huh? Why am I doing this? I'm actually so confused. Oh, okay. This is if it's not actually trying to fire at the player, then it just sets it to 0. That's fine. Okay. And it just gets smooth rotation. Why am I doing this? This way. That's fine, actually. It doesn't really matter. Okay. I think that all of this is fine. Invalid look direction? Okay. What happens if I actually set the look direction the other way in the turret? Does it automatically... Did I set that up? Wait. Where are you? Turret. Turret gun pivot. Look direction. Okay. Interesting. Yeah, no, I definitely don't think I did. I set that to negative, and then I set the look direction to 1, then it'll work properly. No. What? Ah, shucks. I'm just not even gonna touch it right now. I have to touch it. Damn it. Okay. What is wrong with this? It's getting, like, it's 90 degrees off, exactly, for some reason, which is very weird. Like, this is, like, literally a right angle. And then it's firing backwards. What? I don't even, like... How in the world? Okay, is it because it's negative there? If I set this in positive or negative... No, that's just wrong, because I forgot to set this. Okay. I set that to 1. Does that work now? No. No, it does not. Why? It's... Okay, it's just so wrong. It's firing out of its butt. I don't know what's going on, man. Alright. How am I doing this? Target rotation is clamped. That's fine. What is the... What is this? I think that it's the target Z-rot that's getting messed up. It's just going to the clamped value. But why? It's not printing this either. Wait, why? Oh, oops. I need to get this one right there. Okay. Ugh. This is what happens when you don't test your scripts. Okay, what if I just let it do that? Change the min rotation to like 100 and the max rotation to like 160. How does that work? Okay, now it is in the right direction, technically. It's... okay. It's like kinda doing it, just in the weirdest way possible. Okay, this is right, if the... Okay. Huh. I just, for some reason, presumed that setting this to negative would just fix all my problems, but it clearly is not. Huh, okay. So if I get rid of this, then this would actually be right, correct? No. Maybe. Oof. Yeah, that's... I don't even... I think I'm just gonna have an if statement, depending on which way it's... like, which direction, because it should be firing that way now. Okay, so it is firing out of the gun. I just need to have the gun rotate 180. Right? Yeah. This should fix the problem, I think. At least for this direction. And then I'm gonna have to just have an if statement. Depending on direction, do a different thing, basically. No, that did not work. Weird, okay. It's super weird. Huh. Okay. So it's just facing the wrong direction. That's the problem. I just don't know how... Without, like, just subtracting 180 from it. Which I think would work? It would just be kinda jank? Like, if I just do this, then it should just function. Maybe it'll function. Either that, or it just won't work, because I hate the clamping values. It just didn't work as the clamping values. Yeah, that tracks. Alright. If I do negative 60 and 60 again. Wait, was that just correct? Was that just what it should be? Yes. But now it's firing at its butt again. It is aiming correctly. Roughly correctly. If I do minus 180, does that start firing in the correct direction? No, that would not fire in the correct direction. I need to get rid of this entirely. Okay. I think I have it. I think I have the solution. So now it'll fire and it'll kill me. Yes. Okay. I can do this. I control my own destiny. My own destiny. Okay. We're just going to get a vector 2, which is going to be the fire direction. We're going to set that equal to this. We're going to do fire direction. But actually, we're not. We're going to have an if statement, or an if-else statement. We're going to say, if look direction equals 1, else if look direction equals negative 1. I'm just going to set this to vector 2.0. So that would be correct there. Nope, wait. That would be correct there, and then I just gotta get rid of this, and then that'll be correct here. So now this should work. What is your problem? Oh, I don't have a semicolon. Oops. I need to set fire direction. Perfect. And then I just need to go down here and if look direction equals 1, or yeah, then I need to do target right minus equals 180. And now that should work in its entirety, no matter which look direction we have. So I'm going to test it on the right, and then I'm going to test it on the left. So this should just work. Awesome. Although, for some reason, it's only activating for, like, super, super close. Which I think it might be because I set it that way, but I actually don't know. Change the look direction. Now, the aggro distance should be a lot longer. It is a lot longer on this side. Okay, so there's something wrong with the aggro distance. Where? Aggro distance, okay. Where is that being calculated? Yeah. Okay. think we're just going to do another if statement. If look direction equals 1, else if look direction equals -1. I mean, it's really just an else. I don't need to be doing else if. It just, if it is 1, it is looking to the right. If it is not, then it's not looking to the right. Okay, so we want to do... I can just return false at the end. That doesn't work. Okay, then we're just gonna have an if statement here. No, I just want to get this part of the if statement going. Okay. Else, if, and this. Alright, perfect. Now this should be right. It should be aggroing no matter which direction the player is from the gun. I did not set it to return true. Return true. There we go. Now it should be working with whichever direction the player is facing. Or whichever the gun is facing. Okay. Whoa. Moved way too fast. Okay, what? Huh? Wait, why was that on? Wait, when was that on? What's going on? What? It's not on now. Wait, I need to hit the dash. There we go. Why is it on? What? It's on for like a little bit, and then it just stops. Oh, it's colliding with the checkpoint. Damn it. Okay. Huh, yeah. Guess I could just put it on a layer? I mean, I don't really need it. I can just have it ignore raycast. Wait, let me just grab it, ignore raycast. Yeah, it's colliding with that, I think. Let me just move the turret. Now it works. Wow, that is a long aggro range. I set it to ignore raycast, but it's still not working. What? Why? That's actually so weird. I set you to ignore raycast. How are you colliding with a raycast? How is that possible? It's like if I go above this, we can get rid of the gun and then so I can jump higher. Okay, well that's just not right. What? It's doing the 90-degree thing again. What is happening? Why? Why? Ugh. Oh. Oops. That should fix it. That's super weird though. Huh. Okay, now it's just never aggro with the player. Well, that's not good. Why? It's only working if they're outside of it. Oh. Oops. I messed this up. Wait. Wait. This is a distance function. Why am I doing this? This is silly. I didn't need the look direction at all. Wait, then what's stopping it? Was it literally just the turret? Or the checkpoint? I think it was just the checkpoint. I feel like an idiot. That's okay. What is your problem? Oh. Unity just randomly erroring for no reason. Gotta love it. Alright. Now it should work. But it doesn't. Why? What is even the problem? It has to be the player check LOS? That has to be it. I'm just gonna print. We're gonna do a little bit of debug, a little bit of print debugging, and we're just gonna do in LOS. It has to be this, right? Because when I moved the checkpoint, but I don't know why it would be that. Okay, I just need to restart Unity. It's that part of the stream. It's using the raycast mask. Okay. I literally think I only have this set to hit the ground. Right? Raycast mask. Where are you? Okay. Now it should work. I didn't know you could set a raycast mask to allow it to hit the ignore raycast. That seems silly. Okay. Awesome, it's working now. Okay. Let's copy all of this into the enemy aim script again. Because I changed things and I don't want to redo the changes. Now it should work. What? Control C, Control V. Perfect. Okay. Why is everything erroring? Oh. No, I don't want the entire script. I just want the not class part of the script. Come on. Give it to me! I gotta do the same thing here. Give me the not class part. Okay, awesome. Then I can start getting rid of variables again. I don't need these. I do need that. I do need that. I don't need that. I don't need either of these. And don't need those. Don't need this entire function. Don't need that one either. Don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. Alright, that is all I need. Instead of, like, the laser, I think I'm just gonna have a public or a private pool. Private pool that's going to be is aiming. And then whenever we're aiming, it's just going to be here. So whenever we're in rotate gun, I'm going to set is aiming to true. And then whenever we are not, which is just going to be like anytime here, we're going to set is aiming to false. And then if we're firing the bullet, we're also going to set it to false. is aiming equals, what is this notation? What? It was like this. What in the world does that mean? What? I don't even want to know. I don't care. Okay. What we need to get is aiming. So we need a public pool get is aiming. We're literally just going to return is aiming. Return is aiming. So we have our getter function. So that way other scripts can get that. And I think I also want some events. So we're going to do public action. How do you do this? I know I have some in the player script. Where are you? Player. Public event. Okay. Public event action. What is your problem? Does it have to be static? It's just in system? Oh, okay. Perfect. Action. Cool. What did I call these? On. Okay. On. Aiming change? Sure. And then how do I actually do that? I have to invoke it. Okay. So we're going to on the aiming change dot invoke. And then false. Can do is aiming. Perfect. Okay. Now I can copy that to all the times I'm changing his aiming. Which is 3? I'm changing it 3 times? Yes. Okay. Perfect. So now we're getting that. So this event is going to allow us to subscribe to it, and basically whenever we're aiming, I can call a function in another script. So I can use that to, for instance, enable the the laser or the animator. And then I also need to have an event which is public event action on fire. And then whenever we fire the bullet, I am going to on fire. I'm going to invoke this. And that way, whenever we fire the gun, we can call it their scripts. So now I need to basically gut everything that was in here that is also in the other script. So, all of this. That. I don't need that anymore. I don't need the fire tracker. Header. Assignment. There we go. Okay. Do need that. Need that. Okay. I don't need anything here, I don't think. No, I don't. Okay. Don't need that. I am just going to leave that for a little bit. I'm just going to let that be. I'm going to get a private enemy aim. Enemy aim script. I'm just going to call it aim script. I'm going to set... When am I actually changing this? Wait, when am I changing the laser line? Did I already get rid of that part of the script? It's fine. I should probably actually Control-Z that. Okay, wait, we're gonna get the script back. That can go away. And then I need to get a reference to the enemy aim script, so... Private enemy aim script. Ooh, okay. So I do need the aggro distance here. Just gonna get that from the aim script. Don't need the look direction anymore. I don't need the player fire tracker. Do need a header for assignment. Prefab assignments. Let's get rid of this line. Let's get the enemy aim script. Or the aim script. Equal to get component. Okay. Still need that. Still need that. So if we're not aiming. Okay. I need an is aggroed. Yeah, okay. Public event action pool on aggro change. It's placeable aggro, right? Yeah, okay. They call it change or change? They'd call it change. Okay, perfect. So now whenever we're changing the aggro, which is going to be... I don't need to evoke this every single time. That's insane. That I need to invoke. Okay. On aggro change. Dot invoke. Wait, what's the problem here? I don't need a bool. Oh, yes, I do. It's gonna be false. And then... Is there a way to check if it's currently going on? Because I don't want to change it constantly. I'm just gonna have a... I need a private pool. That's what I need. Pool is aggro. I'm gonna do... Wait, no. This is fine. And then over here, I'm gonna do if not is aiming, then I'm going to set is aiming to true, and then call that. When else am I invoking this? Here and here, which are only called once, so that's fine. These are only called, like, one frame, and then it goes on cooldown. Okay. So... got that. Doing the aiming change, doing the aggro change. Are we doing the aggro change? I'm setting it to false, I'm never setting it to true. I need to set it to true here. If not is aggro. Then we want to set is aggro. Is that not what I called it? I misspelled it. Damn it. Alright. I misspelled it again. Damn it. Alright. Okay. If not is aggro, then is aggro equals to true. And on aggro change, we need to invoke this. Which, by the way, this little question mark, it just checks if there is anyone actually listening to this event, because if there's not, then we don't want to call it. There's no reason to. Okay, I need to set is aggro to false here. And then I'm just going to do is aggro. Okay. So now we're checking if it's aggro. And then when it's aggro, I need to enable the line renderer. So when is aggro equals false, so we're going to do private void on is aggro changed. Then we want a bool use aggro. If is aggro, and then else is going to be
The
else.
Scripter Geek has renewed his membership to Parliament for 2 months.
Thank
Kappa.
you very much, the Scripter Geek, for your continued subscription. Has it really been a month already? That's kind of bonkers. There's no way, right? Wait, I actually have to look. It's been 2 months? No, it's been 1. Possibly. Wait, I have to check. Was it so far back? It's not even my log anymore. Oh my god, it has been a month. That's crazy. That's insane. Damn, dude, it's been a month. It's crazy to me. Okay, sorry. Anyway, so if it is aggro, then we want to enable this. Rotate gun. Where am I calling this? Laser line enabled equals true. Am I doing this anywhere else? Sounds false, same position. Okay, that's all good. Okay, no I'm not. And then I also need to fire the bullet, which I think that's the only time the animator's actually used. It is. Okay. So I need to get on fire gun, or on fire rather. That needs to be a private void. Perfect. Now I need to subscribe to these events. So aim script dot on aggro change plus equals on aggro change. Where what did I call this? On is aggro change. Okay, I'm just gonna rename this. This is a bad name. On aggro change. Okay, and then aim script dot on fire plus equals on fire. And now I can get rid of basically everything in the script, like most of it. I don't need the fire bullet anymore. I don't need the rotate gun. Don't need get smooth rotation. I don't need any of you. Or you. Oh, I do need get smooth rotation, actually. Aim script. Wait, no, I'm already doing this, right? In the enemy script. I think I am. I am. Okay, I don't need this. So I can get rid of that. Now this script is a lot leaner. Don't need these. Okay. That works for me. Perfect. Now I need to add that script to the turret. Oh, all of the variables are gone. Oops. That's okay. I can just, it's just like one. It was -60 and 60, I think. So I can look at the prefab. Aha, turrets. And then turret gun pivot. Oh, it's gone. Yeah, that tracks. Okay, lock in rotation time? I don't even know what this does. What is lock in rotation time? What do you do? What? If it's less than lock in rotation time. Is that the only time that this is used? It is. What do you do? Oh no. Shot timer is less than lock-in rotation time. If it's greater than total shot time, fire the bullet. Otherwise, if it's less than lock-in rotation time... Okay. I think I know what this does. Aim smoothing time... I don't know what I set this to. Idle rotation, 0. Is fine. Wait, am I ever using the idle rotation? Literally a single time? No. No, I'm not.
Screw _ it _ let's _ do _ it redeem suggest a song. Super Mario Bros. Super Show opening.
I am very, very sure that I'm going to get copyrighted if I do that. I really want to. But, yeah, I don't think I can. I'm going to refund that. I'm pretty sure that... I don't know who made that show, but I'm pretty sure that it's copyrighted. Actually, let me check. I'm just going to look it up, and then if the video is copyrighted, then yeah. Super Mario Super Show. Opening. It is pretty old, but... I think it's okay, actually. Wait. We'll see.
Hey, paisanos!
It's possible I get bonked. That's okay.
With the Mario Brothers and plumbing's a game. We're not like the others who get all the fame. If your sink is in trouble, you can call us on the double.
This
others, you'll be hooked on the brothers.
This song is actually ridiculous. This show is ridiculous. I just...
Yo, you're in for a treat, so hang on to your seat. Get ready for adventure and remarkable feats. You'll meet Koopas and Troopers, the princess and the others. Hanging with the
This show is just so weird. I liked it though. I watched it a lot as a kid. Very weird though. Very weird. Wasn't there also one where they were like... I don't think it was this show. I think it was a different Mario show where they were in the past or something. It was like prehistoric. You own the DVDs? I also own the DVDs. I don't know where they are. They're somewhere. Probably somewhere in, like, the garage. I don't know. There was that one in Super Mario World. Was it Super Mario World? The Super Mario World show. Was this the one that they were in the past. Like, it was, like, prehistoric. I vaguely remember this. I swear I'm not going crazy. Super Mario World television series. Captain N and the new Super Mario World. What?
The scripter Geek Redeemed suggests a song. Kurokote, Galaxy Collapse Zero Miss Clear, ADOFAI.
I have absolutely no idea what that is, but your wish shall be granted. Probably. I have no idea what this is. This is like a... Oh, okay. This is a song from a game. That's okay. Yeah, we're good. Should be. Well, now we gotta actually watch it. This is a banger. Dude, this game is so hard. Okay. What? I swear. Is there screenshots of the show? Oh, this is so loud. Super Mario World cartoon. I think that this is the one. Yeah, I remember this. This is so weird. Yeah, there's Yoshi and dinosaurs and stuff. I have actually no idea why that existed. I don't know why these shows existed. They just did. There's no reason for them to be. They just were. It's the one, the Dinosaur World. Dude, it's just so weird. Alright. It's currently not able to aim. You know, it should be good. Oh, wait. Oops, there we go. Bullet prefab. Okay, I need to set this to everything and then get rid of pickups. Ignore raycast. Extras. Player projectile, enemy projectile, and checkpoint. Wait, I have a checkpoint. Wait, I have a checkpoint thing. Why are they not on the layer, on the checkpoint layer? Anyways. Okay, why are you not working? Oh, because I didn't add the... No, I did add the enemy aim script. What's your problem, man? Oh, no bullet prefab? Maybe? I don't know. Okay. This should work.
오. 판정 좋았어. 이번에 깨자 제발.
No. You can watch the video on your own. I'm not gonna... I'm listening to the song, okay? This ain't a video request. This is a song request. Okay, where... Okay. Video request when? Never. Maybe. I don't know. Not for a very long time. What is this thing's problem? It just doesn't work. At all. So it's 1.5. There we go.
오 죽을 뻔.
Why? It's invoking these events properly, right? I think. Okay, I'm just gonna... I guess start doing print statements. Fired bullet. And then... rotating gun. Rotating gun. Okay. I'm just gonna print all of these actually. Check player distance. If return true, then print player in aggro, or just player in range. No. Wait, player in direction, player in range, and then player... Okay, player in range, player in LOS. One of these checks just isn't going, or the events are properly set up, and that might be the problem. So the player is in range and in direction, but they're not in LOS. Okay. How are they not in LOS? Dude, this song is so long. Okay. Player fire tracker. Should be fine. Okay. I'm actually just gonna get rid of that bit and see if it works. Because it should always be true. Okay, now it works. Why did he just die? What?
야 근데
Is he killing himself? Oh yeah, I gave him the flare bullet. Oops. He's shooting himself. Oopsies. Ooh. There we go. Now it should be right. Okay. That works. So now I want to print. What are they colliding with? Hit that transform at that name. Because it shouldn't be colliding with anything. It might be colliding with itself though.
Nice. Holy shit. 야 그래도
Nice. It's colliding with the tile map. Just tile map. Okay. How? Can it not collide with the player? Did I accidentally disable that? In the layer mask? I did? Oops. There we go. Now it's colliding with the player and shooting them instantly. Awesome. Perfect. I can stop debugging. Now it works. Should work. Alright. Awesome. Player aim script is finished. As long as I can change the turret direction, it works. Huh? Wait, why? Okay. If I walk out of the range, it gets real weird. What? Why is it so weird? What is happening? It's like going down. What? When the player jumps up, it just breaks. Why is that? That's so weird. Okay. Does that happen when it's rotated the other way too? When it's flipped the other way? Rather. That shouldn't be happening. Nope. That works fine. Alright. Time to debug this. Interesting. I feel like it has to do something with the clamping.
XX Crazy Mike XXX rated with 5 viewers.
Hey, Crazy Mike, thank you very much for the raid. How's your stream, man? Stop it with the mic muted. You guys are so weird.
Finsifty
I
Cat
love
just
it.
followed.
Thank you, Offensive DCat, for the follow. We reached the follow goal! That's awesome. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. But yeah, how's your stream, man?
Super Cold Steak just followed.
Super Cold Steak, thank you very much for the follow. How's the game going? I'm never remembering the name. I'm sorry, it's not happening. Good. How do you think like, how far along do you think you are making the game? Sorry. Wacky Wonderland Wall up a 3D platformer for the ages of the year. Greatest game of all time, the game. Perfect. Fantastic name. Trying to release merch? Or by March. Sorry, I can't read. That's a pretty close release date. You only got, like, a little over a month left. Yeah. I mean, best of luck, man. That is a tight release window, though. Not March 1st. By the end of March. So you got, like, 2 months. A little over. Okay, so we want to print Targarazzi. I'm not exactly sure what's going on here, but right now the turret is, like, rotating weirdly. So if I jump up, then it just goes straight down, which shouldn't be happening. Is that after the clamp? Yeah, okay. It is a clamping issue. Damn it, okay. It's gonna be like $3. Tell me when you, like, finish it. I'll check it out, man. Okay, for some reason it's going negative 360 when the player is above it. Why? That's so weird. Okay. I feel like it has to do with the fact that I'm subtracting 180 from it. It'd be really annoying about when it's finished. It's in break cracks the inventory system. Awesome, man. Oh, why is that happening? If I go too high, it just it's like, huh? It flips the rotation if I go too high. You're gonna make GTA mixed with Baldur's Gate 3, 60-hour game next Tuesday. You just started on a uni tutorial number 2. No, I do not think that you can make that game in that span of time. Maybe like a Tuesday 20 years from now, possibly later, and then maybe. Depends on if you swagger or not. If you just have enough swagger, then a game just appears in front of you, actually. You just, like, manifest destiny. Okay, why? What is happening with this thing? If I go too far up, it just breaks. Okay, I'm gonna edit the tile map real quick so I can go farther up. Easily test this. Where is the tile map? Give me you! Okay. What? Okay. Like that. Oh, come on. Okay, so that's... It goes from what negative 170 to 170. How is that happening? What? I'm opening up Paint and doing the math. What is happening? Okay, so... What this function does, this gets the tangent of the rotation. Okay, yeah. So it shouldn't... Is this the inverse tangent? Wait, I need to actually do the math. So what I need is... You don't want... Okay, too bad. Welcome to game development. Love vector math. Okay, so we have... This is the turret. So the turret needs to be aiming up here. So we have Y and X. This is the turret's rotation. And this is the player's position. For some reason, when it gets up here, it's like going directly down, like it's flipping it. That doesn't make any sense. What's happening? It's getting the tangent. Is this... Because tangent is only valid in quadrant 3, or 1 and 3, I think? Is that the problem? Because tangent isn't actually... I should have paid more attention to trigonometry. Damn it, come on! Okay. I need to just... I'm just gonna print the rotation X and Y. We're just gonna debug it this way. Okay. What? Okay. Z rotation plus target Z, right? Plus rotation vector plus rotation. Okay. Is this the problem? So it's negative, and then it becomes, yeah, it's because we go into quadrant. Ugh. It's the second that, I hate this. I hate this so much. Why? Why? Because right now, this, or the Y is positive, but the second that the Y is negative, it just breaks. Why doesn't it break when it's flipped, though? That's so weird! Why are you doing this? Why is it happening? Okay. And if I flip this again... 1.5, I gotta set that there. Oops. Wait, we'll get to that. Alright, awesome. I need to get rid of this. This tile is messing me up. There we go. Okay. That's fine for some reason. Okay. Trigonometry, you sick bastard. So, this is positive, positive. This is positive, negative. This is negative, negative, and this is negative, positive. It's valid in quadrant 1 and 2. No. Yes. Maybe? Wait. What are my values again? Yeah, so in quadrant 1 and 2, it's fine. The second we get into quadrant... No, this would be 1 and 3. Because this is 1... 2, 3, 4. I don't remember how we do this. Ugh, I hate this. I hate this so much. Whatever, this one. The negative quadrant, it's not valid. Why? It's negative divided by a negative, which is a positive. Wait, why is that a problem? I'm so confused. This tangent is opposite over adjacent. So if we have our square, or our triangle here, which would be a right triangle, it would be... It's negative and negative, so it'd be like this. To where the opposite is a negative and the adjacent is a negative. So this would be the opposite, this would be the adjacent. So it'd be negative, like -1 over -1 equals 1. It's a positive value. This is perfect music for this. Let the chaos set in. I don't understand. We're getting the wrong rotation. For some reason. Okay. I have a fix. It's jank. That's okay, though. I think we're just going to do... If the rotation is... Or if rotation is too much, then we can just change it. So we can just do... Yeah. Yes? Maybe? Wait. How would this actually work? So if I can do... If... Rotation that... No, I just need to flip it. Here's what I need to do. If rotation dot x, actually I need to do mathf dot sine, mathf dot sine, rotation dot x equals -1. Hardly ever deal with the rotation directly. I prefer to just set the rotation forward, up, left, down. Let the engine work that out. Yeah, but I kind of have to do it, like... I can't think of another way to do this. Because I need it to be able to rotate 360 degrees, so I kind of have to set the value myself. Okay, so if mathf dot sine, he would just axe the feature. I don't have the option of doing that, but that would be the easiest way out. Equals minus target 0. Perfect. Just throw axes at the player. He would just axe the feature. He would just add axes to it. Genius. Okay, so now I need to actually test this. It should work, I think. It's jank. It's so jank, but that's okay. Right. That would work. This is so wrong. That's okay though. Shrink my game all but axes. You know, that is an interesting idea. Okay, now ET is not working still. It's closer. But now, if we think about, like, a triangle like this is where the player is. This is theta. Or this is the turret rotation, or the turret position. And this is the player position. Now, the gun is doing, like this, basically. To where both of these thetas are, like, equal it's just going down. It thinks that the player is here when they're really up here, but this entire line is the same length. Like, both of these are the same length, so I just need to basically make that negative, I think. So I need to subtract it, and then once again, target zeros equals negative target zeros. This is really jank. I don't even know why this works, to be honest. I just am sure that it does. The math checks out. The math checks out, what can I say? This is so jank, though. There has to be an easier solution to this. This is mathematically correct. Describe every game dev experience ever. It works! I mean, it functions, technically. I just... Sucks that tangent isn't valid in quadrants... whatever. The one that I want. Awesome. Okay. So we have the rotation script working. Basically. It's basically... I mean, not basically. It is working. Can't think of anything that would make it not work. Okay, I need to completely update this prefab. Overrides. Can I just... apply all? There we go. Okay, perfect. Okay, and now I'm going to undestroy my tile map. There we go. Okay. We're going to make a little area over here for our new enemy. Alright. I'm just gonna add like a wall here. Player can jump in. And then we'll add him in here. Perfect. Create 2D object. We're going to create a circle. I'm going to name this Patrol Enemy. I'm going to give this a circle collider. And then a rigid body. Rigid body. 2D. Make this continuous. Get rid of all this. Probably should not be rotating. And I basically need to give it like a turret pivot. So this. I need to give it a gun. Yes. First I'm going to set the color. Now we should just have a sphere on the ground, basically. Wait, let me add a checkpoint here. There we go. Okay, we have a sphere on the ground. It's massive, though. Okay, I need to make that a little smaller. Let's go like 0.75. How does that look? That's roughly player size. Let me duplicate... Oh, I guess it would be a duplicate checkpoint index. Okay, there we go. Alright, give me that. No, I keep wall jumping. Oops. Come on. Okay. As an experienced technical artist, they are correct about the axes. I'm not exactly sure how the technical artist part plays into that, but as an expert in the field, I'll take your word on it. I should actually add an axe. Like, I have throwable objects. We can easily add an axe. Why not? I'm opening up base bread. We're adding an axe. I'm gonna open... No. Where is the throw gun? Throw gun, where are you? Pistol throw animation? Okay. Let's do a file new. How big is this? 6x16. Okay, file new, 6x16. So the pellet. I love base spread, man. Okay, there we go. Base spread's fantastic, like genuinely. The throwing axe has... Oh no, wait, why? That's weird. Yeah, there we go. We like the axe handle. I need some room for it to rotate. So I want to add a little bit of a bend to it. Like, maybe that, and then we need to add like the axe handle. And something kind of like that, maybe. I like that. Okay, awesome. And no. This kind of looks like the Grim Reaper, I'm gonna be honest. Looks silly. I think I'm gonna go with that. And then I'm gonna change the colors, so let's give it some shading. Like that. A little bit of that. Maybe like let's get a line here. No, that looks horrible. Whoop. Okay. No. Pixel art's hard, man. Ugh. Okay. This looks alright. This does not look good. This color does not look good, but I think if I change the other colors, then it will look better. Okay, wait. Nihilistin YouTube chat. This is not Pixel. This is A-Spray. No, no, no. This is not Pixeler. That is not a good color. That is also not a good color. That's a little bit better. I don't really know if I even have a good color for this. This is... Ew, it's so bright and gross. That's also bright and gross. I think that's honestly probably the best color after this. And then... that looks bad. My game is not listed on Steam. It will be released on Steam. But... we're very far from that. And I have not had time to make a Steam page. Yeah, I know it's not a bad idea to list as soon as possible, but... honestly, if you guys want to know a trick to finding color palettes, alright? Go to lowspec.com.
Picasso just followed.
Picasso, thank you very much for the follow. Low Spec is a fantastic website. I'm gonna link this. I'll link this in chat. You can find a ton of different palettes. The one that I'm currently using is called Resurrection 64, and then I add my own to it sometimes. But I love it. Yeah, no, color palettes are hard. It's okay though. Okay, I like that. I'm gonna call that good. Although I might need to push some pixels around. Fun fact, pixel artists were originally called pixel pushers in the games industry. Okay, looks super silly with... Okay, that looks good. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to rotate that though. I might have to make it a little bit bigger. Because like, if I... Yeah, it's reaching the edges. Go to the frame. Make it like 18 by 18? Too lazy to manually back up palettes. Well, you know... Okay, that's roughly even there. And then... That's not even. If I rotate this, is gonna be off. Ugh. It needs to be just like one down, but then it's uneven. Okay, it's fine. Alright, I'm going to save this as axe throwable. And then we just need to animate it. So first it's going to go forward a little bit. Like that. Now it probably needs to be rotated a little bit more. And I'm gonna have to fix it because it's gonna look super jank. Okay. That looks a little better. Wait, why is my... Okay, there we go. That looks a little big. That looks better. Okay. Let's fix this. That should be fine. Okay. To the next frame. That's just like super not right. Alright, let's grab that, move that there. That's roughly correct, No, okay. Oops. Push these pixels, man. Okay, there we go. I think it was like this. That looks better. Okay. That's fine. Okay. Get rid of that pixel. Probably add one here. No, that made it too big. Okay. I... Oh, no, I changed the skin. There we go. Wait, no. How did I change the onion skin? No! Actually, though, how did I do that? It's super inconvenient. There we go. Okay. I honestly don't want the frame in front of it right now. Ooh, that's just not right. What? That needs to be that back one. Okay, there we go. This needs to be rotated more, like more bent. Alright, that's good enough for me. Now it's good enough for me. Let's rotate the skin. That works. That might be a little much. Oh, I need to tween in between that. You're once again back. Welcome back, Alex. Okay. Yeah, we need one like right here-ish, but wow, the auto-rotate is doing us no favors. Ugh, that looks trash. You could. You do have the option to run a pull. Presuming, of course, you have enough. Oh, wow. Yeah, this just looks weird. That's, like, kind of correct, though. No, we need the bits. We need the pointy bits. Somehow. There's a will, there's a way. Whee! Okay, it's kind of spinning now. You know, we just need to rotate it more. How about run a poll? Should Mr. Owlman play? No. 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 If you want me to play, you gotta do it. You gotta get all the points. Them's the rules. Them's the rules, alright. Okay, this is royally wrong. Like that. You need to be there, you need to be there. You are just wrong. Okay. That's not right. First of all, that should be the other way. Wait, no it shouldn't. Wait. I did it the wrong way the whole time. Oh, that's a pain, man. Alright. There we go. That's fine. Yeah, we're just gonna call that good. Oh no. For some reason, this gets shorter, like the thing gets shorter. It looks like. No, it just gets longer here. Ooh, that's not good. Come on. Oh, that just looks so wrong, though. Just doesn't look right, man. Ugh. For some reason, it looks like the handle gets longer. Which just looks real weird. Yeah, I need to fix that. Okay. This is better. Okay. That in between it looks... It's not rotated enough. There's like no reason for that in between, honestly. Yeah, I don't need this frame, I don't think. I need it to go like way farther, like that. Yeah, okay, that works. That would be like... I guess that would be like that. Ooh, that's so weird though. Okay. Yeah, it just kind of looks jank. This is super wrong. Okay. Come on. Come on, auto rotation. Get your shit together, man. I need you to work with me here. Okay. No. Like that. Maybe. Looks like the blade gets dulled before you even... come on. That doesn't look right. That doesn't look right either. That also just... It looks like I'm losing mass. Animation's hard. Come on. No. I think we're just gonna go with that. That just doesn't look right, though. At all. Not even a little bit. Okay. I'm just gonna completely do the axe head by hand. Because pushing the pixels around is not getting me where I need to go. Do it like that. That looks better. Then I need to do like that. No, like this. Like that. That looks better. Okay. I think that's what we're going with. Okay. And I need to rotate this. Like that. And I need to rotate this. Like roughly like that. Why is it just... The rotation just destroys my pixels. I don't know what happens. The pixels just go into an incinerator or a blender and then come out mashed. Like, what is this? What has happened here? It's just so grody, man. Oh, and the handle just gets all disproportioned. Okay, wait. No, no, maybe. Possibly. Like that. That works. Yeah, that works. Okay, I need to edit that. Nope, that looks wrong. Nope, that's definitely not right. Okay, I just need to get rid of the entire axe head, because it is just horribly malformed. Alright, wait. Wait. No, wait. Like this, maybe? Eh. That's like roughly right. Just doesn't look it. Okay. Let's add the X head. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, I think that's probably as good as we're getting. The shading is just not consistent, or like that little gleam. Like for some reason here, it's way farther up than it needs to be. And it's also not as far down as it needs to be. It's consistent through here, and then right here, it's bad. I prefer butterscotch. Butterscotch pie is very delicious. That's fine. Okay. Now if I play the entire animation... Now we're rotating! Perfect! What I wanted. Okay. And now we're going to add... little, like, lines. To show the rotation. So there's going to be nothing there, and then we're going to have... like that. It's rotating that way, and we're gonna have some off of here. Wait.
Alex person thing just followed.
What? How have you followed like 3 times? I don't understand. You've broken the system. There's something wrong. There's something deeply wrong with Twitch API. For some reason it displays, I've been streaming for like 10 hours whenever you look. You can follow multiple times. Are you John Twitch? The man behind it all. I don't understand. Twitch just seems to work fundamentally different for you. Wait. 102 followers. Wait, so you weren't... Oh, I'm so confused. How do you keep doing this? How many times have you followed? It's like 3. Have you been unfollowing and then refollowing? Is that what's happening? It has to be, right? It's the only way. I'm so confused, man. This is deeply confusing. Okay. Got that. You know what? Maybe. Maybe that's why. I have no better explanation. So you know what? I'll accept it. Okay. Go like that, and then we go up here, roughly following that trail. Okay, and then we get like that. Like a little bit over here. Yeah, then we do one of these. Like that. Okay. Then we... Whoa, I think I just deleted some pixels. No, I didn't. I'm on a different layer. I can't even do that. I just realized that... Oh no. Yeah, wait. This pixel is not on the actual main layer. There we go. Okay. That works. Do something like this. Okay. And for the last frame where it's just standing up, we are going to still do this. Just to show some motion. Carve through the pixels. There we go. And if I set this as the loop section, it's rotating! We have throw axe. Look at it. Throw axe. Awesome, okay. I'm going to export this. No, I want only the current frame. Only want the current frame. File, export as... Where are my export settings? Selected frames. Okay. Not a GIF. I want to be a pung, please. Can I get a pung? Thank you. Okay. X. What did I name these? Triangle throwable. Okay. Axe throwable. Perfect. That's fine. And then we're going to export sprite sheet. And that's going to be the loop. And PNG axe throwing animation. Or axe throwable animation, that's fine. Awesome. And then I need to hide that layer. File, export, sprite sheet. This is going to be the axe throwable in-wall animation. Okay. Now I just need to get all these into Unity. Where are you? Where are they? Need to go to my art folder. Art. Drag it in here. I need to format all of these. So no point filter. What do I have this set to? Save 32, okay. 32. That should all be right, and this is only single. I need to open the sprite editor, and then slice by size, which is going to be 16. No, it's 18. It needs to be 18. 18 by 18. Slice. Apply. Perfect. Need to do the same thing for this one. Open sprite editor, slice 18, apply. Incredible. So now we just need to create a prefab for it. Which I have basically one right here. With a throwable triangle. Just gonna copy that. And then throwable triangle, ground wall, okay. We're gonna call this the throwable X. Sorry, one moment. Alright, I'm back. Okay. 0, 0. I don't know why it was offset, that was weird. This is alright. The ground object, I need to get a new ground object, I need to get a new in-wall prefab. Like, no, that's right. I just need to rename this to ground X. And then I need to create an in-wall prefab. I need to create a new animator. Okay. Alright, animations, throwables. Let's create an animator. Yes, animator controller. This is throwable triangle. I need to rename this to throwable X. We do apply it here. Throwable X, perfect. Great animation. Throw X. And now we can open that animation. Create. Wait, we have a new animation clip. Oh, whatever. Okay, I'm just gonna delete that. That's fine. Okay, what in the world are you talking about, man? PS, explanation point, underswap seems insane. Like, actually insane. You can apparently buy children, you can get human skin. That seems a little, unethical, I'm gonna be honest. Seems a little bonkers. I don't think you should buy it. Counter argument. Human skin. Consider the following. What are you even gonna do with it? Just like put it up on your wall? Like it's a trophy? What use could you possibly have for it? It gives you 99 defense? Okay, that's quite a lot. You know what? Maybe it's worth it. Okay, maybe. Maybe. No. This needs to be on that frame as well. Okay, awesome. Okay. So now, yeah, it goes directly to the throw animation. Perfect. And then, I just need to set the default sprite. That. And that. Default sprite. That. I need to change this. It does not need to be a polygon. I'm gonna remove that. Make it a box. Actually, no, it probably should still be a polygon collider. I just need to change the polygon. To be more like this. That works for me. Okay. Awesome. Throwable axe, yeah, it can just be sphere. Need another prefab for the in-wall. In-wall axe. Yes, rename that. Okay. Then we do an art. And drag in all of these. They're going to be 8. Perfect. Okay. And that should be it. Where's the prefab? In-wall axe. Should probably change that to the first frame. And now I need to make a pickup. We're going to set it to the throwable axe. And then the enhanced sprite needs to be the axe throw. Alright. And then it should also be the axe. And I have to change the polygon collider. Okay. That's roughly right. Perfect. Okay, this can be called Axe Pickup. Rename file. Now if I drop an axe pickup or 4 into the world, so I'm gonna move these over here. Put me next to the player. If I set everything up right, it'll work. Okay, well that's not right. Everything else is right. Roughly. Okay, wait. First of all, I need to change the prefab. Why is that wrong? The in-wall note needs to be the accent wall. There we go. We have an axe and a wall. Okay, well that's not right. It should be probably rotated the other way. If I throw it to the left, it probably should not be rotating to the right. So I just need to flip the sprite. I'm actually surprised I didn't think of that. Because, like, that's true for literally all of them. Oh, no. Okay, well, I need to change the throwable script. But it's in! We have a throwable axe now. Nice! Mystic Game Help? What is this? When did I add this? What? Okay. Is the console manager? No, it's the debugger. I can spawn it. Wait, I want to quickly add that to the debugger. pick up spawning throwables. How does this work? Do I just get a random one? Oh, okay. That works. Where's my debugger? Let's add a throwable, and then we're gonna add the axe pickup. And now when I do the throwable one, it'll randomly spawn either axes. Awesome. Okay, let's fix the throwable script real quick. Both of them. And the in-wall. Is it still called pistol and wall? Okay. I need to... When we actually get this script, I also need an int, which is their pool is facing left. And now I need to actually check that. Create a private pool is facing left equals false. Then I'm going to pass in is facing left. And going to check. Where is it? Where's the initial call for this? Stick object and wall, it's not what I need. There's one that fire. Oh, it's the projectile script. Oh. Oh. See. That's fine, actually. Right, it should be fine. Wait, what? What am I... Okay. Should bounce is dealt with in the throw object script? I thought it was in the projectile script. Oh, whatever, it doesn't matter. Okay. So I'm getting access to the projectile script, and then I need to check if no, I don't need access to the projectile script. I just need the rigid body. Okay. Private. What are you? I don't care about this. Stop. Okay. Private rigid body 2D, RB. On awake, we're going to get our rigid body, and then if... Wait, do we have access to our sprite renderer? We do. Okay, awesome. No, it'd be easier to just do the projectile script, I'm gonna be honest. I think I'm just gonna create an event. I'm trying to, because the projectile script is used for things that are not the throwable. What I want is I want the direction that we threw the object. So then I can swap the sprite direction based on that. But if I do it with the rigid body, it's going to be inefficient. It's fine. I'm just going to create another private pool. Private pool has checked direction. Whatever. It doesn't matter. And we're gonna set RB equal to get component rigid body 2D. And then in fixed update, we're just going to if has checked direction equals false, that has check direction equals true, and also we're going to check if RB dot velocity x is greater than 0. Otherwise, wait, no, if it's less than 0, then sprite renderer dot flip x equals true, and whoop is facing left equals true. Sure, that works for me. And then I need to set that is facing left. And that should work. It should be changing the direction now. Although I'm not actually flipping in the piston wall. If is facing left, then we're going to set the sprite render dot flip x equal to true. Okay, awesome. Should have fixed our problem. It did. It fixed our problem. Awesome. Perfect. Feels like it's taking a little bit for the gun to leave my hand. Am I going crazy? I'm gonna set the time scale. Set time scale 0.05. Nope, not happening. I'm just imagining it, I guess. Yeah, no, it has to be like literally a single frame if it's doing that. Script is definitely working now, though. Can throw things like that. Okay. Awesome. I'm glad we did that. Thank you for the suggestion. That was fun. Oh, even another throwable that's not a triangle. Perfect. Alright. With that, I think I'm gonna head off for the night. Let's find someone to raid. Someone has to be on raid. None of the regulars are on. Shucks. Okay, wait. I'm gonna look through the software and game development category. What are we thinking? Does anyone have any suggestions? Let's go farther down a little bit. Wolfedy, I do not know this person. Let's look, wait. Are they doing... No, game development streamer. Game development streamer. Load the stone. No! Advert... What? Literally just... Oh no, I thought it was... That was actually part of the stream. It was not. Yeah, I will be back Tuesday at 1 p.m. PST.
Tetris with hands right now. It's just really throwing me for a loop.
What's the raid message? GM is streaming art. 3D modeling. You know what? We'll go with that, sure. This is one of your viewers. Well, do they speak? Hello? Okay, we're gonna raid them.
Hey, thanks for being my guinea pig.
Alright.
Boink, boink.
Go, go, go! Wait, maybe that's not it. Raid. There we go. It is for mature audiences, so fair warning, alright? Go, 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 go! Raid now! Get in there! And for anyone in YouTube chat, here is the link. Spamming it. There you go. Go check them out.
Oh,
Alright.
thanks.